Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. 3 over 2x positive 7 negative 4x negative 6 over 5. The above expression is equivalent to ax square positive bx positive c over 10x positive 35, where a, b and c are integers. What is the value of a positive b positive c? The question says that this expression is equivalent to this one. So what we can do is we can write an equation with these two expressions. That is 3 over 2x positive 7 negative 4x negative 6 divided by 5 equals to ax square positive bx positive c divided by 10x positive 35. Okay, here on the left side we can do some simplification. Here we have subtraction of two fractions. So to simplify the subtraction of these two fractions, we can use cross multiplication method. That is, the first numerator 3 has to be multiplied by the second denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. We can take this negative sign. Now we have to multiply the second numerator by the first denominator. Then we get 2x positive 7 times 4x negative 6 divided by, we have to multiply the two denominators. Okay, for that we have to distribute this 5 to this 2x and positive 7. 5 times 2x is 10x and 5 times positive 7 is positive 35 equals to ax square positive bx positive c divided by 10x positive 35. Here on both sides we find the same denominator 10x positive 35. So we can multiply both sides of this equation by 10x positive 35 to get rid of the denominators. Okay, let me do it. That is 10x positive 35. So this one will cancel out, the same here. Okay, 15 negative. Now we can multiply the two binomials over here using the FOIL method. Let's multiply the first term. So 2x times 4x is 8x square. And now let's multiply the outer terms. 2x negative 6, that is negative 12x. Now let's multiply the inner term. 7 times 4x, that is 28x. Let's multiply the last terms, positive 7 and negative 6. The positive 7 times negative 6 is negative 42 equals to ax square positive bx positive c 15 negative 8x square. Here we can combine the like terms, negative 12x and positive 28x. When I combine them, I am getting positive 16x negative 42 equals to ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, let me continue over here. 15. Now we can distribute this negative sign to this one, this one, this one. Then I'm getting negative 8x square, then negative 16x and negative times negative will be positive 42 equals to ax square positive bx positive c. Okay, we can write this one at first, that is negative 8x square. Then we can write negative 16x. We can combine this positive 15 and positive 42. Then I'm getting positive 57 equals to ax square positive bx positive c. That's all the simplification we can do. Here, two expressions are equal. Whenever two expressions are equal, then the coefficients of like terms must be equal. That is, the coefficient of x square on the left side, the coefficient of x square on the right side must be equal. The coefficient of x on the left side, the coefficient of x on the right side must be equal. And also the constant terms must be equal. Then we get negative 8 equals to a, negative 16 equals to b, 57 equals to c. Okay, here we got the values of a, b and c. Our aim is to get the value of the expression a positive b positive c. Okay, let's do that. That is a positive b positive c equals to, for a we can plug in negative 8 and for b we can plug in negative 16. For c we can plug in 57. Okay, when I combine these two negative values, I am getting negative 24. Then we have positive 57. When I combine this negative 24 and positive 57, I am getting 33. Okay, here I got the value of the expression a positive b positive c. It is 33.